Hello! In front of me I have Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Next, you can scroll through the menu and find the icon called alarm. This one. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the alarm menu. And here we can set the alarm clock by tapping on the plus button. Then we can set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours and then minutes. So set the time and tap on the check mark. And here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. So for example, if you select Monday, it will repeat every Monday. If you select Monday and Tuesday, it will repeat every Monday and Tuesday. So select the days you like. You can also not select any, and it's gonna go off only once and it won't repeat. So customize it to your liking and then tap on the check mark. As you can see, here we have our alarm. It's gonna go off at 8:30 on Tuesdays. And you can turn it on or off. You can add another alarm if you want to by tapping on the plus, like this, so you can have multiple alarms. You can tap on the alarm to edit it, and here you can change the time, the repeat option, or you can tap on the bell icon to remove the alarm. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.